What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Treasured Up. First and foremost, thank you to everybody that has been tuning in and watching the videos, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button. You guys are awesome. Thank you. For anyone that's new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and you'll see a bunch of features that comes with the Model X, and we might be doing some R6 videos coming soon as well. But for today's video, we're going to be playing around with the key fob features that come with this model. Alright guys, so the Model X comes with two key fobs. They look like this. They kind of look like the silhouette of the car, to be honest. It actually looks nice and sleek. Great little key fob. Put it in your pocket, you barely realize it's there. It's got the Model X logo on the bottom. Quick key fob features right here. So we'll just start off right at the top here. The car right now is not locked, but right now, so we'll do double tap on the top. We'll open the driver's side door, as you see there. Then another double tap on the top of the key fob will open the passenger side door, as you see there. The back end, obviously, it will be the trunk. You click that, opens up the trunk. The front of the key fob, which is right here, obviously will open up the front of the vehicle, which is obviously more storage there. Open that up, and then probably the coolest portion of the actual vehicle is the vacuum wing door. So you double tap on this portion right here, double tap, and that door will open. And then obviously this is the one that I'm still having issues with on this side, but if you double tap on the other side now, you'll see that this one opens up, but this one usually doesn't open up all the way, and it looks like today it will. So look at that. Perfect timing for the video. Okay, so now that all the doors are open, the front is open as well. What I will do is I will close the front by hand, only because it's not automatic, not yet at least. I might do a video on that, or probably get the accessory later on to make it automatic. So now that all the doors are open, you grab the key fob, one tap from the top of the key fob, and everything closes. And then once everything closes, you hear the beep. That means it's locked, and it will activate the Century mode if you have it activated. Another great feature of the key fob, you take it, put it in your pocket, and as you walk up to the car, it will unlock, and then it will open the driver's side door for you. Opens the driver's side door and you get right in. Great feature and hands-free. All right, so another feature for the key fob, You hold down the back, the trunk portion for 3 seconds, and then the charging port opens up on its own. So that will actually open up from the key fob, and then it will close automatically on its own once it notices that you're not actually doing anything. Okay, another feature from the key fob is that you can actually use the key fob to summon the vehicle. So very simply, push down on the top portion for 3 seconds, then it will activate the summon feature, as so. Once the summon feature is activated, the hazard lights will start flashing. Then you press on the hood to go forward, or on the trunk to go backwards. And then, so now I pressed on the hood, and then the car will go forward. And then you can stop the summon motion by just tapping once on top of the actual key fob to stop the car from moving. It's a really good feature. Obviously, if someone parks too close to you and you can't get into the car, or if you're just in a tight space, either in a garage or, like I said, just a tight parking spot, it's a great feature to use. Don't have to pull out your phone, although you can do it from your phone also, but it's a great feature from the key fob. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.